Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we re-rocketing into the future to explore 10 of India's most ambitious space and satellite megaprojects. These missions are not just about reaching the stars. They're set to completely transform India's economy, defense, and daily life. So buckle up as we count down the innovations that will define India's next decade in space. Starting our list at number 10 is the ISRO satellite mission. This is a groundbreaking collaboration between ISRO and NASA. Imagine a satellite that can see through clouds and darkness, monitoring our planet's surface in unprecedented detail. ISRO will do just that, using advanced radar imaging to track changes in ecosystems, ice sheets, and even subtle shifts in the Earth's crust before earthquakes. This project is a game changer for disaster management, climate change research, and agriculture, providing data that could save lives and secure our food supply. It's a true testament to international cooperation for the benefit of all humanity. Next up at number 9, we have the Gaganyaan-20, now renamed CMS-03. This isn't just another communication satellite, it's a beast. Designed specifically to boost India's broadband connectivity, this high-throughput satellite will bring high-speed internet to the most remote corners of the country. Think about the impact on digital education, telemedicine, and e-commerce in areas that are currently underserved. With its multiple spot beams, it will drastically increase bandwidth, paving the way for the Digital India initiative to reach its full potential. It's a crucial step in bridging the digital divide and empowering millions. At number 8 is a project that sounds like science fiction, the Reusable Launch Vehicle, or RLV. Imagine a space shuttle, but made in India. That's the vision. ISRO is developing a winged vehicle that can launch satellites into orbit and then fly back to Earth, landing on a runway just like an airplane. The primary goal here is to slash the cost of accessing space. By reusing the most expensive parts of the rocket, India can make space launches more frequent and affordable. This will not only benefit its own missions, but also make India a more competitive player in the global satellite launch market. The successful landing experiments are just the beginning of this exciting journey. Coming in at number 7 is the Indian Space Station, or Bharatiya Antariksh Station. That's right, India is planning to have its own home in orbit by 2035. This will be a 20-ton platform where astronauts can live and conduct cutting-edge experiments in microgravity. The space station will be a hub for research in biology, materials science, and physics, leading to discoveries we can't even imagine yet. It's a symbol of India's long-term vision and commitment to becoming a major spacefaring nation capable of sustained human presence beyond Earth. This project will inspire a new generation of scientists and engineers to dream big. At number 6, we have the mission that has captured the world's imagination, Mangalyaan-2, or the Mars Orbiter Mission 2. After the stunning success of its first Mars mission, ISRO is gearing up for a more ambitious sequel. This time, the mission will likely involve a more powerful orbiter with advanced scientific instruments, and possibly even a lander and a rover. The goal is to study the Martian surface, its atmosphere, and the potential for past or present life in much greater detail. Mangalyaan-2 will push the boundaries of interplanetary exploration and cement India's status as a leader in planetary science. Halfway through our list, at number 5, is the Chandrayaan-1 mission to Venus, often called Earth's twin sister. Venus is a mysterious and hostile world with a thick, toxic atmosphere. Chandrayaan-1 will be India's first-ever mission to this enigmatic planet. The orbiter will spend years studying the Venusian surface and atmosphere, trying to understand why a planet so similar to Earth evolved so differently. The mission will investigate the runaway greenhouse effect and look for signs of active volcanism. The insights gained could provide valuable lessons about climate change right here on our own planet. Now for number 4, Aditya L1. This is India's first dedicated mission to study the Sun, placed at a special point in space called the Lagrange Point 1. About 1.5 million kilometers from Earth, Aditya L1 will have a continuous, unobstructed view of our star. It will study the Sun's corona, chromosphere, and photosphere, helping us understand solar flares, coronal mass ejections, and the solar wind. This is crucial because solar weather can disrupt our satellites, power grids, and communication systems. Aditya L1 will act as an early warning system, protecting our vital infrastructure in space and on the ground. Entering our top 3 is a project of immense strategic importance, India's very own satellite navigation system, NavIC. While many of us use GPS NavIC, which stands for Navigation with Indian Constellation, provides highly accurate positioning, navigation, and timing services specifically for India and the region extending 1,500 kilometers around it. This is vital for national security, disaster management, and transportation. Having an independent navigation system reduces reliance on foreign systems and gives India greater control over its strategic assets. The ongoing expansion of NavIC will make it even more robust and accessible to the public. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Chandrayaan-3 mission. Building on the lessons from its predecessor, this mission achieved a historic milestone by successfully soft landing a rover on the Moon's South Polar region, a feat no other country had accomplished. The lander Vikram and the rover Pragyan conducted on-site experiments, analyzing the lunar soil and environment. This success has not only boosted national pride but also provided invaluable data about the presence of water ice in the Moon's shadowed craters. Chandrayaan-3 is a monumental achievement, paving the way for future lunar exploration and potential resource utilization. And finally, at number 1, the most ambitious and inspiring project of them all, Gaganyaan. This is India's first human spaceflight mission. The goal is to send a crew of 3 Indian astronauts, or Vyomanauts, into a low Earth orbit for several days and bring them back safely to Earth. This is a monumental undertaking, requiring the development of a human-rated launch vehicle, a crew module with a life support system, and intricate emergency escape systems. Gaganyaan is more than just a mission. It is a declaration of India's technological prowess and its ambition to join the elite club of nations capable of sending their own citizens into space. It will ignite the passion for science in millions of young Indians and mark the dawn of a new era for the nation. From monitoring our planet to reaching for the Moon, Mars, and beyond, these 10 mega projects showcase India's incredible journey in space exploration. They represent a future filled with discovery, innovation, and national pride. Which of these missions are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you next time.